our Universal trip. We just landed. Tommy right here. Out here with the fam. About to ready to go get our baggage.
I wish we got to see Kahuna, but he overslept.
I know, he doesn't even know, he needs responsibility. Alright, about to go get our baggage and then off to Volcano Bay.
And Kimmy's big old forehead.
This is where we're gonna be, the new theme park. Just got to the the shuttle bus, waiting for the bus to arrive. Hang out with the fam, little shenanigans.
Hey.
Say hi. Tommy, saddest dude I know. Lucas, say hi. What are we about to do today? What are we going to do today?
We're swimming.
Where?
Universal, Volcano Bay.
Volcano Bay? That's what I thought. Hello. You ready? You ready? Yeah? We're now on the bus, waiting our shuttle to get to our hotel. This is our Dick. Yes. Tommy Kimukut, saddest dude. With his wife. Oh snap. Brother coming in hot. Alright, got this burger at the Orlando Resort Hotel. Called the All Day Burger. Yeah, beef patty, cheese, bacon, the usual lettuce, onions, tomato, pickles, some fries. Let's test it out. I'm not a fan of tomatoes, but you know, it's okay. Put this on the side. Want my tomatoes? There we go. Oh, also got a fried egg in there.
Chicken man. You guys want quesadilla? It look like that. It look like spring food. It's good food. I would catch it looks good.
Egg definitely makes it a lot better for sure.
Okay. Can't do no.
All right, on to Volcano Bay. Rocking at the charm right here. Shout out to Kahuna. Here are the kids. That's okay. He's somewhere. Kylo! Kylo!
Didn't you say she was hugging her?
He was, but he fake. Phoebe, you ready? Yeah.
Why didn't you go?
Tommy Kimukut. Skylar. This one. Phoenix. Kylo. You ready? Heading out to Volcano Bay. Oh shit, that scared me. Don't mind the language. Oh yeah, here we go.
They see me rolling, they hating.
Oh yeah. It's also my first time at Volcano Bay ever, so I'm pretty excited.
My first time too.
Yay! We drowned together. Volcano Bay. God dang. It's bright as hell out here. Say I got no eyes. God dang.
They see me rolling, they hating.
God dang. That's pretty dope, not gonna lie. Wait, is that an actual ride in the middle? Is that a drop? Oh, heck no. Nope, not me. Ain't about that. Yeah, we just got to our beach area over here. Look at that. Oh, nice. I'm about to go splish splash out there now. Unfortunately, I can't bring my phone out there because I don't have a phone case and I don't trust myself on water. Later.
I'm waiting to go to Lazy River.
Lazy River?
Yeah. That's all I'm waiting for.
Did you hear it? These waters might be haunted. Let's play back the video and you decide.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Just got done. We're about to head back to the hotel now. Do a little R&R, and after that, we're gonna head to Universal. Harry Party at night, baby.
Hello. Riding my city. Joy.
How'd you feel about that tube ride? Let everyone know. Was it scary?
I don't want to talk about it.
Was it scary? Why you do that? Oh, why you do that? I still see you. No. Yeah, back to our hotel room. We just changed to our second outfit. We're about to go Universal right now to see Harry Potter at night. Oh shit, going the wrong way. Here we go. My bad. Coming, following. It's just us five. Me, Tommy, Poupée, Alex, and Kat.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Gang. Oh God. You. Oh God.
Melody, for me to the two, I thought mom passed out.
And that was a rough one too.
Yo, that scared me. Like, I didn't expect anything.
That drop scared.
That did. And when I went, I almost like, when I went to that little, I think the corner, I was like, I'm dead.
Bye.
But watching Phoebe cry the whole time kind of helped. I was like, it's okay, Phoebe. I'm there too. I'm crying too. It's a nice view.
We were over there.
That's a pretty Christmas tree there. See that? That might be.
Oh, the shape of a fish. I just realized the pool.
Yeah.
I almost fell just now. Got a little dangerous there. Driving golf. Interesting.
The moving walkway exit is approaching.
Oh snap! Bubblegum Shrimp Company. Gotta go there later, for sure.
Right first.
Dude, the Nintendo shop? Yeah, the Nintendo World Shop. Oh, I gotta go in there soon.
Oh, I gotta go to the one in Nintendo.
Oh yeah, true.
Oh, your hat.
Well, wait. Yeah! Sushi, burger, and bar. What? Oh yeah. And a year later, we're finally back at night. Illumination! Random Comcast building. Minion Cafe. Or Cape? Minion Cape? Oh, never mind.
I thought it was showing at the outside. Now sharing his magic with all of us below, he flies through the night with a beautiful glow. We heard him play as he flew out of sight. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
That's pretty cool. Oh, first ride of the night, binge at the Mummy. 25 minutes, not too bad. Almost there, right up the stairs. That's where the ride is. Got done riding the Mummy ride. It's pretty intense. Good thing I didn't record because I would have dropped my phone and lost that shit forever. That was a really bumpy one. I would definitely do that again for sure.
I wish it was longer.
I know. It was good. It's still a good ride though.
She said he's about to
Grow up.
Oh, Christmas time. It's Christmas
King's Cross. Diagon's Alley. Is that dragon about to pop off? Do it. Breathe fire at me. Do it. Oh shit. That was dope. Woo!
Nicholas Flamel. I don't even know where this is from.
Oh, let's see that. Hey, that's pretty clean.
Okay. That's on the list right now.
I got a bottle.
Dumbledore's.
I got a bottle of robe still for the Christmas party.
Self-defense for your house. Dumbledore. Oh, Dumbledore is sweet too.
Ooh,
Bro. Okay, I might get Dumbledore's.
got the lunch table. It's like we're in a movie for real. Nice.
Yeah, that's the best one.
Hello, hello.
So, yeah, we have to beat the cauldron.
Just patiently waiting for our food. Slowly but surely. Got this pasty shepherd's pie at the Leaky Cauldron Harry Potter World. Big old thing. Meatless beef and vegetable stew and stew pie. Like, honestly, it looks kind of like dog food, honestly. Not bad. Not bad. What you get? Actually, what you get?
Got the cottage pie.
Cottage pie. Cat got the bangers and smash, like Kuna and the gang. Tommy got the, what you get, Tommy? Lamb beef stew.
There's more dressing.
Or ate more and a half. Coupe got a bowl of fries.
Eat it like it's mine.
Yeah, I feel like I can slowly make it right now. But it's also partly because I'm so used to you put you in
That's it as a group of two. I should have stopped.
Yeah, football.
Dang, John, what you do, dog? Hell no. Alex Mead. Oh yeah. Man, this place is cool at night.